Venn diagrams are asked in many competitive exams. In this video, we are going to study Venn diagrams from reasoning point of view, which will be useful for Olympiads, CAT, SAT, PO, railway exams and all. Understanding Venn diagrams. A Venn diagram uses overlapping circles or other shapes to show relationship between two or more sets or categories of items. If something is common between two categories, we represent them by two overlapping circles. For example, students and boxers. Students can be boxers. Some of the students can be boxers and some of the boxers can be students. If nothing is common between two categories, we show them as two distinct circles, like boys and girls. Boys, girls. None of the boys are girls and none of the girls are boys, so these will be two distinct circles. If one category is totally inside another category, we draw one circle inside another. In this case, we call that one set is subset of another. For example, fruits, apples. All the apples are fruits, so we'll say that A is subset of F, or apples are subset of fruits. Correct representation of males, females, and mothers. Males, females are two distinct sets, but all the mothers are females. So mothers will go inside female. Next, representation of girls, cricket players, and gymnasts. Girls and cricket players. Some girls can be cricket players. Some gymnasts can be girls and some gymnasts can be cricket player also. So all the three circles will be overlapping. Representation of vehicles, scooters, and buses. Vehicles. All scooters are vehicles. All buses are vehicles, but buses are not scooters or scooters are not buses. So they are two distinct circles. Representation of goods carriers, trains, and ships. Goods carriers. Some of the trains can be goods carriers. Others are passenger trains. Some of the ships can be goods carriers. Others will be passenger ships or cruise. Representation of earth, oceans, and rivers. Earth. All oceans are on earth. All rivers are also on earth. But oceans cannot be river and rivers cannot be oceans. So they will not overlap. Representation of houses, igloo and tent house. Houses. All igloos are also types of houses. Tent house is also a type of house. But igloos are not tent houses and tent houses are not igloos. So they will not overlap. Asia, Singapore and Singapore City. Asia. As we know that Singapore is in Asia and Singapore City, which is capital of Singapore, is in Singapore. So this will be our representation. Metals, aluminium and nickel. Metals. Everything made up of aluminium will come under metals. Nickel is also a metal, but they are two distinct sets because aluminium cannot be nickel and nickel cannot be aluminium. Quiz time. Time to check what we have learned. You have 5 seconds for each question. In case you need more time, please pause the video, solve your questions and start the video again. Your time starts now. Answer is D. In this question, they have very cleverly checked your GK as well as your reasoning skills. So here we have Milky Way, which is our galaxy. Our solar system is a part of Milky Way, so it is inside Milky Way. and Earth is a part of solar system, which is inside solar system. Second question, represent fractions, whole numbers and natural numbers as Venn diagram. 5 seconds. Answer is A. All natural numbers are whole numbers. Fractions are neither whole numbers nor natural numbers. Roots, edible parts, sweet potato. 5 seconds. Answer is D. Some roots are edible. Some edible parts of the plants are roots. And sweet potato is edible and it is also a root. So it will lie inside the common region between roots and edible parts of plants. Next question. Dogs, animals, butterflies. 5 seconds. All dogs are animals. All butterflies are animals, but no dogs are butterflies or no butterflies are dogs. So dogs and butterflies will be two distinct circles inside A. Hope this video was helpful. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. If you want videos on any reasoning or math topics, send your suggestions to mathological001@gmail.com.